I'm in the process of tearing down my bathroom after the Great Flood, and as you're going to see, it's quite a project. I'm measuring it in levels of difficulty by fits. I think that it's probably a 10 or 12 fit project, so wish me luck, and here's keeping you up to date.
So here's the current disaster. There's water all over the floor, soaked into the halls. This overflowed.
As y'all know, my washing machine flooded, ruined the floor. You can see where it's just breaking up. If your press board gets wet, that's what happens. So I took it all the carpet out, and in the bathroom I want to take all this up without having to tear up the linoleum, so I wanted to find the nails and screws. So I decided to use a magnet, a little round magnet, and roll it along, and when it finds a screw, it's right there. So then I cut it out. That way I can pull them up, and then I don't have to really destroy the flooring. Bye. That's how bad it is from being wet. Press board. It's no good. I'm going to put plywood down. It's terrible. Broke the top off. That's not good. Well, so you can see, piece of wood, it's just a start, and then the floor. I think all floors are made like this. Black top, and then underneath it is 2x6s usually. So this is the stuff that's rotten. It just, whenever you have a press board and it gets wet, it's not very, it's done for. I'm going to put plywood in here when I'm done. So there's a start, and then I got to do it all the way down there, and there's like, I can't even explain, there's like a nail or a screw every 6 inches. And then in the bathroom, as you can see, I use the magnet. And then when I do this, I have to pull the toilet, the sink, the washer and dryer, and put them out in the living room, and pull this floor up. Then cover it. Then put it all back. So, I'm not happy. Bye.